JADIS is a collection of pre-computer era scientific and industrial props. My name is Susan Lieberman, and I own JADIS on Main Street in Santa Monica.
My name is Thomas Meek, and I'm Parke Meek's nephew.
My late partner, Parke Meek, and I opened the store in July of 1976, and at that time it was an antique store. In about 1990, Parke decided to start building props for the movie industry, sort of Frankenstein-era props, and he began collecting things to build whatever his imagination dictated.
He had a really good eye for the sculptural qualities of machinery, and that's a lot of the things you see in here. And those are the things that look good on camera, too.
People come in here, their first reaction is, where did all this stuff come from? Well, he used to joke that, he'd go to the flea market, and they all knew him, and he'd say, "You got anything heavy, expensive, and useless for me today?"
Parke had a real interest in quack medical devices, and because some of these are just amazing. This is an applied phrenology. What they would do is try to stimulate various areas of your scalp, which supposedly would stimulate those areas of the brain. But unfortunately for the phrenologists, none of the brain maps that they had agree with any of the brain maps that they're making now.
This piece is one of the most popular renters. It's called a Hemodimagnometer. It was in The Mystery Men and The X-Files. It's been in a lot of productions.
It's actually a piece of quack medical equipment. What you would do is set the patient down beside it, and then the operator would get the colors of the aura. They would do this on the diagnostic mode, and when everything was set, they would switch it over to the treatment mode. It would send everything back with the polarities reversed, and of course you're all better now. That'll be $400 and come back next week.
Any good mad scientist lab would include an autoclave, some chemical glassware, probably a microscope or two, a few switches.
Get Frankenstein going.
Depending how large the set is, copper ring towers, control panels.
Look around the back of it. This tells you a lot about the Hollywood prop industry. It's just a box, but from the other side it's beautiful.
We also have an operating Tesla coil in the window, and then we have a fake one up there. I was always terrified I would find Parke fried on the floor sometimes, but, So it's all been fun. I would say there's not been one bad moment, really. It's just been a great run.